Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So now, as we all know that our December 2023 examination is over. We had our examination yesterday. Now comes what to do now, because अब exam complete हो गया. What do we have to do now? Some of you got very good, like बहुत अच्छा exam हुआ बहुत students का. कुछ students का okay-ish exam हुआ. कुछ students like they were not satisfied with the examination because of the lack of preparation, maybe because of lack of their conceptual understanding, whatever could be the reason for the same. But now comes the major point: what should you do now? Because you just cannot sit and you cannot change what happened yesterday, right? So now comes the point: what we have to do now. So the most important thing to focus upon now is that you should start preparing for your next examination, and that is for the June 2024, because there's no point wasting time, there's no point sitting and thinking about कि कल के एग्जाम में हम और क्या बेटर कर सकते थे. What you can do now is पुराने एग्जाम, whatever you have done in the previous attempt, if you're getting like, if you feel like that बहुत अच्छा आपका स्कोर आ जाएगा, then wait for your response sheets, उससे और थोड़ा clear हमें indication मिलेगा. And if not that way, what you can do, you can start with the slow pace preparation. And जिन students का exam अच्छा नहीं हुआ, they know it internally. Okay, there is no such thing कि आपने एग्जाम में 15 क्वेश्चन किए हैं एंड यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट कि हमारे 50 क्वेश्चन ठीक हो जाएंगे, राइट? दैट्स नॉट गोना हैपन. सो ट्राई टू बी रियलिस्टिक, try to make sure that you are focusing upon your next attempt now, that is your June 2024 attempt. In addition to that, learn from the mistakes that you did. Learn from कि हमने क्या क्या गलतियां करी अपने प्रीवियस अटेम्प्ट के अंदर. वॉज इट लैक ऑफ प्रेपरेशन? वॉज इट लैक ऑफ कॉन्सेप्चुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? वॉज इट लैक ऑफ रिविजन? वॉज इट लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिसिंग? वॉट इज द मेन मिस्टेक दैट वी डिड, राइट? और अगर हम अपनी मिस्टेक को आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, इट वुड बी ईजियर फॉर अस to work upon those mistakes. It will be easier for us to rectify those mistakes in our next attempt. So it's absolutely fine. See, if you're getting not like, if you're not able to perform well, then कुछ ना कुछ तो backlog है, right? And you have to search out that backlog. And वो backlog search out करने का best तरीका होता है that we analyze our mistakes from our attempt and not waste our time sitting and thinking कि I wish I would have done that. वो करने का टाइम 25th December तक था. 26th को एग्जाम के बाद you cannot change that. So it's absolutely fine अगर एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं हुआ. Start fresh, start new. Make sure that you are learning out from your mistakes. Make sure that you are starting off with your preparation again without wasting any time, without thinking about कि अभी मैं 2 हफ्ते इसी डिप्रेस फेज में रहूंगा एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड. नो, अगर आपको स्टार्ट करना है, स्टार्ट नाउ. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, बिकॉज जून एग्जाम के लिए यू हैव 5 months इन हैंड. सो ये 5 months को बेस्ट ऑफ योर एबिलिटी से अपने पुराने मिस्टेक्स को रेक्टिफाई करते हुए you should start afresh. So, and if you're looking for a full course, we have a full course running for the June 2024 batch. We started off the course last month. So, if you wish to enroll in the same, we have our own application. Download our app from our iOS as well as Android Play Store. You can download it from both of them, and then you can get yourself enrolled in the same. There's a 30% off discount going on right now on all the courses till the new year. So if you wish to enroll in the same, you can download our app, get yourself enrolled with the coupon discount. I have provided the link for each of the same in the description box. Check it out and last minute का wait मत करो कि अब I'll be sitting for 4 more months and then I'll start thinking about कि चलो अब दोबारा रिवाइज करते हैं. नहीं, अगर एग्जाम में तैयारी अच्छी करनी है, so we have to start at the earliest possible, and this is the right time for you to start again. So it's just a very one-on-one interaction with you all. I'm expecting that many students are like getting very good scores because they are sure about what they have marked in the answers. So let's wait for the final results. So if you're getting good scores, absolutely fine. Start with your next step preparation. But if you feel like कि हमारा exam अच्छा नहीं हुआ, don't waste your time anymore. And why to waste even a single day? Just start with your preparations again. And if you're finding out for a full course in affordable pricing, so the June 2024 batch is ongoing. You can download our application and get yourself enrolled in the same. Do not loosen your hopes. It's absolutely fine. It's just an examination. Learn from your mistakes and start again. All the best. Good luck. Take care, everyone, and hope to see you all getting qualified. And if not getting qualified, if you're not able to like complete off, then practice again and you can join us in our batches. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck. Take care, everyone.